When you grow your own salad greens, you want them to last after harvest, right? Well, I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and today I'm going to show you my favorite way for processing and storing lettuces. Unlike grocery store lettuces, you're picking these salad greens out of your garden at the most freshest point, and ideally you would harvest them in the morning when the turgor pressure is high and they're full of moisture and they haven't wilted in the morning sun yet. Sometimes the ideal picking time isn't possible and you may need to pick them when they're a little wilted. One of the reasons that I do this, regardless of what time I harvest, is because this treatment plumps up the cells of the salad greens in a way that makes them store in the fridge for weeks, and I'm not kidding about that. First of all, you're going to need a bucket full of water, a salad spinner, and some kind of absorbent reusable material. So you can use paper towels, but I like to use these things like scoy cloths or things that you can wash and use over and over again. Even a towel will work. And unfortunately, the best solution for storage happens to be a plastic bag. If you have giant containers that can hold all of your salad greens, great, but those don't exist for me. And this is malleable and can fit into the crisper drawer with all the other harvests going on. So now that you've got that, you're gonna fill your bucket with water and you're gonna put your lettuces in the bucket and leave them there for about 20 minutes. That allows them to soak up all that water, and you're also shaking off all the dirt. Now you'll notice that I do take apart the heads of lettuce. Even if I harvested a whole head, I take them apart into single leaves and soak them this way. Step 2 is get out your salad spinner and lift your leaves into the salad spinner. This is really easy to do, and if you don't have a salad spinner, I'll show you a trick at the end. All right, then you're spinning. My table is not stable. Now we're ready to store these lettuce leaves. Get your bag and place an absorbent towel of some kind in the bottom, like so, and then dump your salad greens in there. And it's a thing of beauty. Excess water can go back in the bowl, and we're going to water some plants with that afterwards. Repeat these steps until you've processed all of your greens, then tie it up. Gently press some of the air out, and it can go in your fridge. Now you have lettuces that are clean and washed and processed, so you can just tear them up into a bowl, dress them, and eat them. It's delicious, and it works for store-bought salad greens too. But if you're going to grow salad at home, it is really easy to do, and I've got other videos on this website that show you how to do it. Now, if you don't have a salad spinner, I want to show you a cool trick. All right, this is the sciencey part, because if you have a towel like this, a dish towel like this, you're going to take your lettuces like so, shake them off as much as you can, drop them in the middle, and you're going to use centrifugal force that your own body provides. Gather up all 4 edges and get ready to swing. Here we go. And the water is flinging everywhere, so make sure you're doing this somewhere where you don't get your windows wet like I just did. And then now when you open it, your lettuce is just as dry as when you used your salad spinner. All right. So for more fun tips like this and other information about growing your best garden yet, visit gardenerd.com. While you're there, check out my books, my online courses, and consider becoming a Patreon subscriber if you like this video to help support more of them. Happy gardening.